with the Standard, which is available also online, and that's on www.standardmedia.co.ke/e-paper. Now, the headline on this one is why Uhuru and Raila quit the big TV debate. Now, remember, this is a debate that was scheduled to take place on Monday, but we started off by Uhuru Kenyatta saying, or rather his, from his political party campaign team saying that he is not going to be attending the big debate, then followed by the NASA presidential candidate Raila Odinga also coming out to say through his communication office that he will also not be attending the debate. So questions are being asked why. But according to their campaign teams, well, some of the issues are the fact that it would be unfair for them to be put together with all the other presidential candidates, given the amount of time allocated, that there would be not enough time for them to articulate clearly their plan for the country. We also do know that we have the likes of Abdu Bedida, who has come out and gone to court to say that it isn't fair that they have actually been divided into two segments. You have the independent candidates, then you have the two principals that would be looking at or has been named as the two-horse race. So, of course, that remains to be seen how it's going to pan out. However, we do know that the opposition leader Raila Odinga's team has said that they are willing to participate in a debate where they will go head-to-head with the president, the incumbent Uhuru Kenyatta. So that story is in the Standard, but get yourself a copy to just get the details of what that